Hello everyone, I'm making the Mercutio Bongocat tutorial. What software do you need? For this tutorial you're gonna need QMK MSys and QMK Toolbox. First off, locate the QMK firmware folder on your PC. That should come with the QMK MSys install. Then, just to show you, there is the mechwild Mercutio and there is a standard Bongocat keymap with it. Now we can open QMK MSys, navigate to the QMK firmware folder by doing cd QMK firmware. You can autocomplete by using tab. Now you see me struggle putting in a command. I'm just gonna put it in the description for you guys so you can just type it easily or just copy it in if it works. Yeah, and then just hit enter when you're done, and it's gonna start building. And the build is complete, so now we're going to close out of MSys. MSys has now created a hex file in the QMK root folder. There you can see it, mechwild Bongocat hex file. We're gonna need that path. Now open QMK Toolbox. And in the file up there, you're gonna have to put in the path we just created. So go to Open, navigate to wherever your QMK firmware is. For me it's on C. Users, your user, then QMK firmware, and there is the hex file. Just click open on that. Be sure to select the right microcontroller for the mechwild Mercutio. It's the Atmega 328P. Here it is in the manual. Atmega 328P. Be sure to select this one, otherwise it won't work. Now I'm going to unplug the keyboard, put it into bootloader mode, turn on auto flash in QMK Toolbox. I don't have access to the reset button or boot button, so I'm going to do the tab one. You can do whichever, it works. And you just plug it in, for me while holding the tab button, and then in QMK Toolbox you can see it's flashing. And the flash is complete. So you can close out of Toolbox, unplug the keyboard, plug it back in, and now you have a Bongocat on the screen. Hope this tutorial helped. Hope you can do this. If there's any problems, just let me know in the comments.